Hi everyone, you need a straight hair accessory like this. I have attached two lace at both the ends. Keep it in the crown area, attach it with a clip. After that, bring the string from down, tie a knot. Similarly, from both the sides, keep bringing sections in between and tie a knot. It is very easy and extremely simple. Anyone can do it for anyone. You can just do it very quickly. Just see, I'm bringing two sections from the side, bringing it in between, tying a knot. So this lace is really important. You can use any satin ribbon, but tie it to the ends of the hair accessory. If you have long hair, it would give you even beautiful look. Isn't it easy? You can try and you can share with us. You can give a very soft kind of a look for your bride, for your sider, or for any of your friend or any family member during a wedding. Do try and tag us. We would love to see that. Thank you.